Hi friends, this video shows how to connect USB flash drive and transfer files. Here you can see I have connected this multi-port USB hub to Google TV Streamer 4K using this USB Type-C cable. Here you can see the power cable that is connected to PD in port of this USB hub. Here you can see the connected USB flash drive. After that, let me go to TV. First, I need to ensure that this USB flash drive is mounted properly. Go to all settings, go to system, select storage, and here you can see use SanDisk USB drive under this removable storage. That means this USB flash drive has been mounted properly. Then go to home screen, go to apps. Here we need to install two file manager apps, Explore or An Explore. Both will work. First let me open this An Explorer app, and here on top you can see internal storage, SanDisk USB drive. Let me open SanDisk USB drive, and then let me go to documents, and here you can see some files. First I am going to copy one file from this USB flash drive to internal storage of the Google TV Streamer for 4K. Let me select this image of the cat, press and hold OK button on the remote. Then from top select this copy icon. Done. See, now one file copied. Then from the left side select destination, select internal storage. Then we need to find where we need to paste this. Let me paste here in this pictures folder. Select it, then go to top, then from top right side select that paste icon. Done. So now I have successfully transferred one file from USB flash drive to this internal storage of this streamer. Let me open this from here. See, let me go back to home screen, then open Explore. Go to USB flash drive. Let me go to internal storage. I am going to open that copied image. Then go to picture. See, here you can see that image of the cat. From here also we can open. Okay, next I will show you how we can copy one file from internal storage of this Google TV streamer to USB flash drive. Let me again go to an Explore app or Explore app. Then go to internal storage of this Google TV streamer 4K. Then go to this documents folder. Here you can see another image of the cat. Let me select this image. Then from top select this copy icon. See, that image has been copied. Then from left side set SanDisk USB drive. Then we need to select the destination folder. So let me paste this image under pictures folder. This is a pictures folder of this USB flash drive. So let me paste here. Select this paste icon on top right corner. Done. See, let me open this. Done. See, now I have successfully transferred one image from internal storage of Google TV Streamer 4K to USB flash drive. Okay, and if you want to delete this image, you can delete from here. Just press and hold OK button on the remote. On top you can see delete. So let me open this copied image from Explore app. Go to home screen, go to Explore. We can also do this copy and paste operation in Explore app as well. You can try that. Let me go to USB storage. then go to pictures folder. Here you can see that image of the cat. See, so you can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel, please like and share the video.